In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put thumbnail on CapCut for beginners. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clean, eye-catching cover to your project so it's easy to recognize in your workspace and looks polished whenever you share or review it. First, open CapCut and load the project you want to work on. Give it a moment to fully open the editor so you can see your timeline and the main preview. If you're starting from scratch, create or open any draft you'd like to label with a cover. Think of the cover as your project's thumbnail, something that quickly tells you what the video is about at a glance. Next, look for the Add Cover option. This button is typically available in the editor interface once your project is open. Click it to bring up the cover tools. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're in the main editor view and that the window isn't minimized, since some controls can hide on smaller screens. Now, click Edit Cover. This will open the cover editor where you can fine-tune how your thumbnail looks. You'll usually be able to pick a frame from your video or use a still image. Choose something that represents the content clearly. Faces, bold subjects, or a key moment work well. If text tools are available, keep your headline short and readable, using high contrast colors so it pops even on small screens. Try to avoid putting important details near the very edge, since safe margins help keep everything visible across different displays. Matching your project's aspect ratio helps too. If you're working in a standard widescreen format, keep your cover aligned to that so nothing gets cropped. When you're happy with the design, click Save. CapCut will apply your changes and return you to the main editor. You should see the updated cover reflected in the project preview. If you're prompted to confirm changes, go ahead and accept so the new cover replaces any placeholder. That's it. You now have a cover for your project. The thumbnail will make your draft easier to spot in your workspace and gives your project a professional touch anytime you revisit or share it within CapCut. If you ever want to refine it later, just open the same editor and update the design. Your changes will save the new version as your project's cover. Thanks for watching. If this helped, try adding consistent covers to your other projects to keep your workspace organized and your videos instantly recognizable.